How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, so I wanted to hop on here a little impromptu. I am literally like at Panera. And I know that sometimes we can all struggle with getting ideas for our cookie decorating. So you have like a theme, like I need a baby shower, I need a graduation, but like I don't want to always make the same cookie. And I think a lot of you have probably seen how you can go on your phone and now all of a sudden on Facebook, when you click in your search bar, you get an option for a Meta AI like bot or assistant or whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, at first I was like, what is going on? And then I clicked on it and I was like, so I don't think it works yet on desktop, but I'm going to share my screen from my phone and should be able to see it. All right. So hopefully you can see that and hopefully you can hear me because Panera is like jamming out. All right. So I was on Facebook and I clicked the little top right corner, the little circle guy or the search. And then all these topics came up at the top. And I was like, what? This is crazy. So then there was one that said, like, oh, look at this. Imagine a space cat. I love cats. Watch this. Okay, right? So then apparently you can type in reimagine. I hope you can hear me still. This music is kind of crazy today. Okay, so like this is what the computer comes up with on its own, right? And so then I was like, I wonder if I can do anything with this for cookie decorating. So I was like, imagine a 4-color design for llama cookies. I think I typed in decorated. Okay, because I've noticed that you have to be pretty specific of what you want it to, like what you want it to spit out. I probably could tell it specific colors. And look at that. How cute are those? Now, sometimes you gotta be careful because one time I did this and there was like a nose coming out of the side of the face of one of the llamas. I mean, obviously when you decorate the cookie, it's not gonna look like that. But okay, so let's try it again. Let's try imagine a pastel colored decorated mermaid cookie. Imagine pastel colored decorated mermaid cookies. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. And how cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, let's try one more. Imagine heart-shaped decorated Valentine's Day cookies. It's a little bit more vague. You know, I guess I said mermaid and llama before. So let's see what it comes up with now. So there we go. How cute are those? And some of these you like look at it and it's like, what is that thing on the left? I have no idea. AI is a little bit crazy. And that cookie on the right, it looks on the top, it looks like somebody took a bite out of it. So it really won't look like that when you decorate it. So if you found this helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you see more tips and tricks. And I definitely will be taking a look at that anytime I'm like, what am I doing? Because it just gives me another option besides like wandering around at Hobby Lobby or Walmart to see kind of what's trending right now and a quick and easy way to give you some ideas anytime you need them. We'll see you on the next one.